Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Now, based on Unit 4, we are going to do the discussion of the question answers. The first question based on that topic, they have asked, what is meant by the term status of women? So, we need to define this term, and here we can say this term status of women means the position of, here we can mention the position of women in the society. So, that will be considered as the status of women. The next one they have asked, what is the gender ratio or sex ratio in India as per the census of 2011? So, we have to mention that it was around 940 or per thousand males. The next short question answers are given here. Based on the same topic, we have give any 3 reasons for low status of women in India. So, here we have to mention the different 3 reasons. The first we can mention that can be increasing lawlessness. Secondly, we can mention about the poor enforcement of legal laws. Thirdly, we can mention the spread of consumerism which is leading to the problem of low status of women in our country. Now, the next one, essay type question answers are given here, and this is going to be the lengthy question. So, we have to write down the answer in detail here. They have asked that why are women included among the weaker sections? What is the main reason behind it? We have to give the answer of the first part, and in the second part, we have to do the discussion over the sum of the measures to empower the women in Indian society. So, if we talk about that why women are included in the weaker section, so we can mention this is because of their social status that is very low as compared to the, so here we can mention about the social status of the women which is lower as compared to the men status in the society. Beside that, if we talk about women are considered to be inferior than men, and they suffer from the various sort of discrimination at different levels. So, here if we talk about these, here we can also mention that women are they are also facing the cases of violence which includes these violence in the forms of rape, dowry death and the domestic violence even. And it is really ironical in India where we are calling or we are worshipping or treating women as the goddess, but on the other hand, we are not providing them the equal rights, or we are not providing them the independent identity even. Some of the measures to improve, the second part now they have asked what are the different measures to empower the women. So, what could be done in this direction? Firstly we can mention about the constitutional provisions and laws. Constitutional provisions and laws can be one of the important point. Secondly, we can talk about suitable approach to women's issue. Suitable approach to women's issues is the another important point. The thirdly, we can mention about the women's empowerment, and finally we can, which is the most important point, that is change in the attitude towards the women. This is going to be the another most important point if really we would like to empower the women in our society. So, these were the question answers based on the topic of social inequality, especially the women's status in our society. Thank you.